So I just finished the install on my awning lighting, and this awning lighting is from XKGlow, and each rail has two lights attached to it. So the kit, you get 8 lights, and then a lot of extra wiring comes with it. And on the app, you can basically choose what colors you want the lighting to be. And right now I just have it on red, so there's no glare. And then it is powered by my Tough Built box, which is right down there, and that has a 100 amp hour Akuku lithium battery and a Guyandel inverter, but right now it's only running off of 12 volts. And then I have the XKGlow 8-channel controller down there, so that's powering everything. And as you can see, I have that controller hooked into the battery box right back there in the back. So when I'm done with this, I can simply just unplug it and stow it away and take the awning down. So this is the XKGlow kit. I will put that underneath, and you can see how nice that is. It's going to be nice to have a couple different color options, giving, you know, bugs and everything else at camp. So I like the red so far. We're going to see what it looks like here when it gets dark. It was very easy to do. Took me about probably an hour to figure out the layout. Let me know what you think down in the comments. And like always, if you could like and subscribe, we'll see you on the next one.